I want you to think outside of the box, and don't get caught up in what other people are saying about the economy, because you yourself as an individual, you got your own energy, you got your own tribes out there. And I'm talking to Angie, but I see so many Angies out there, so many Angelas out there. And you guys have your own ability to thrive, but you need money to make money. Let's get the money, because it's here. I'm telling you, I've done it for myself. Remember, I was homeless. I came on the heels of a writer's strike, and here's the next writer's strike. You can get this access to funds. You can turn these funds into your own. Now you own your own, or you can partner with somebody who knows how to take your thing to the next level.